Mount of Olives. Yes, خفف شوي عشان ما ننزلش. Yes, we will stop there within the bus. يا محمد ركز معنا بالمحاضرة احنا واقف هون من غير We are going to have a stop. محمد واقف هون بس. Alright, so here's the panoramic view. You can see it is already jammed. We try to take left not to be stuck here for hours. So this is subhanahu wa ta'ala, this is the Isra al-Mi'raj, this is the Dome of the Rock, the Golden Dome, the Black Dome, Masjid Qibli, the Old City, the Jewish tombs, etc. So this is the panoramic view from Mount of Olives. As you can see, the buses are jammed. يلا ما انت يا زلمه على الشمال يلا نخلص كمان يعني صار زي هيك بتصاح قروع يعني خلينا نخلص لا ما بيروح لك الشمال خابش بيروح عاد بس مرة الاشتراك خليني ولا وصف ولا عاد ما بتسمع ولا اتصلنا في امبارح معلم حضرتك نص العشرة طيب يعني مش شايفنا عم نسوي أصلا
कम देखे मालूमात हो सकता है ये बताया ये कौन सी खबर है मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम की उधर एक जो है अभी नहीं है मैं उधर ही जा रही है ना मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम की पता नहीं है उधर जा नहीं गए और काफी दूर है अच्छा उधर ही लेके जा रहे हैं उधर ही लेके जा रहे हैं पता नहीं जानने अच्छा आज हमें सूफी बना दिया इन्होंने
يا زلمه ما لنا شيء احنا ما لا مدور ركز على غير كنا بنحكي احنا ما لا يا زلمه Palestine and she died in Basra in Al-Iraq. She said, God, if I love you for your heaven, prohibit it for me. If I love you for your نتجه الآن إلى فلسطين الضفة الغربية 30 minutes. Jericho is 27 kilometers east of Baitul Maqdis. Jericho is a Palestinian city. Jerusalem today is not a Palestinian city. Jerusalem today it's an Israeli city. Therefore we are in Israel. Right now, according to Israel, we are in Israel. And we are on Mount of Olives. We are in a village called At-Tur, but everything is under the Israeli control. In 30-40 minutes we'll be in Palestine. It's called Adnal Ad, the lowest place, which is Jericho. So the Jericho French flag, the French flag, because the church is a French church. Also Jericho is famous with what is known as Dead Sea Cosmetics. That is produced from the Dead Sea. Dead Sea is a natural... Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had indicated